Hello, West Contra Costa Unified School District community. Welcome back and Happy New Year. This week has been a very challenging week for our schools across the district. And although we've made some amazing strides to slow the spread of COVID-19, the Omicron variant is sweeping the country at a rapid pace and has greatly impacted our schools. In our district, we saw far more absences this week more than usual. We also had more students testing positive for the COVID-19 virus this week. It's also put an immense strain on our system, and the rapid spread of the virus requires an aggressive response to ensure safety for all. So to alleviate some of the pressure and to allow more time for those in our community to recover, I recently announced 2 smoke days, today, January the 7th, and Monday, January the 10th. During these days, schools will be closed for students and staff. District offices will be closed on Monday, January the 10th. And I encourage all of our students and staff to quarantine as much as possible during these smoke days. Please get tested before returning to school on Tuesday, January 11th. And you can do this through a rapid test at home or through your healthcare provider. District test centers will also be open today and on Monday. We're all doing our part as a community to slow the spread, and I'm grateful for the support from the Contra Costa County Office of Education, the County Department of Public Health, our union partners, and you, our families, who are taking extra precautions to fight for our students and staff. This week, we increased our testing capacity, both in the number of kits we distributed, and we also opened 3 additional test sites to all of our students and staff district-wide. Thank you to all of our volunteers, our teachers, our staff. We were able to distribute nearly 15,000 test kits to families last Sunday before the first day back from break. It was an incredible feat in such a short amount of time. And I just simply want to say thank you for your flexibility, your willingness, and your patience. We also took liberty to deliver nearly 13,000 test kits to students throughout the district. We're doing everything in our power to keep everyone safe during this surge, and we need your help to keep students safe. This week, we canceled all in-person meetings for all district staff for the remainder of the month. When we return next week, all staff will be required to wear the KN95 mask in schools. If you're sick or exhibiting any symptoms, please stay home. Do not bring your child to school if they're sick. Please consult your healthcare provider and follow the CDC and CDPH guidelines to get well and stay safe. If you're not vaccinated or have not received your booster shot, please do so. All students aged 12 and older must be fully vaccinated by February the 18th. You can find more of these details and support by visiting our website at www.wcccusd.net. Thank you for all you do for our students, and please stay safe.